Bonjour tout le monde. Welcome to this master revision series. This is the first video, that is lesson number 0 of HSC 12th standard textbook. Now lesson number 0 consists of a text which is on textbook page number 6 and then on the grammar part. Now lesson 0 में जो grammar है, it is completely from your 11th standard syllabus, so we are going to be revising that as well. First, the text. The lesson's name is Bientôt les vacances, soon the vacations. Okay. Avant de repartir chez eux, nos amis sont ensemble à la cantine pour boire un café. Before returning at their places, our friends are together at the canteen for drinking a coffee. Neil says, Salut les copains. Salut les copains means hello my friends. Write it down, whichever words you do not know, make down a list of it. Open your notebook, give heading, lesson number 0, first word les copains means friends. C'est bientôt le départ. It is soon the departure. Maya says, oui, j'ai hâte de retrouver ma famille et de leur offrir des cadeaux. Now they are returning from, they are going to be returning to their homes. Hurry. J'ai hate means to be in hurry of returning to my family and offering them gifts, des cadeaux, gifts. Je suis sûr qu'ils vont les apprécier. I am sure that they are going to appreciate the gifts. Les means your gifts. Des cadeaux is replaced by article, by pronom, les, les. Ira says, moi aussi, je veux raconter à ma sœur les nouveautés que nous venons d'apprendre. I am literally translating it. Moi aussi, me also. I want to tell my sister. Raconter means to tell. Write it down in your notebook. À ma sœur, to my sister, les nouveautés, all the new things that we have learnt. Apprendre means to learn. Aisha says, pour moi, toutes les activités sportives pratiquées en France sont très intéressantes. For me, all the sportive activities practiced in France are very interesting. Très intéressant, très means very, intéressant means interesting. Le football, le tennis. Mehdi says, ah, moi, j'adore la vie culturelle. Oh, me, I like the cultural life. La vie means life. Le cinéma, le théâtre, la musique. The cinema, the theater, and the music. La découverte de Paris à vélo. The discovery, it is the noun form. The discovery of Paris on bicycle or by bicycle. Vélo means bicycle. C'est une expérience inoubliable. It is an unforgettable experience. Eric says, c'est vrai. It is true. C'est vrai means it is true. Mais maintenant, j'attends avec impatience les matières que nous allons apprendre après les vacances. But now I am waiting impatiently for all the matière means subjects or topics which we are going to learn after the vacations. Robert says, regardez le site web de notre institut. Look at the website of our institute. On vient d'afficher. On vient d'afficher means we have just fixed notre emploi du temps. There they have uploaded our what? Timetable. Emploi du temps means timetable. Nous allons étudier l'environnement, la santé, entre autres. We are going to study the environment. La santé means the health, between others, among other subjects as well. Ira says, oui, on va aussi découvrir les régions de France. Yes, we are also going to discover the regions of France. Et discuter The learn gastronomy and discuss a bit about the gastronomy, that is food. Ce sont des sujets intéressants. These are interesting subjects, Neil says. Mais maintenant, nous partons en vacances. But now we are going to go on vacation. Super. Super. This was the text. If you want to listen to this once again, or if you want to write down the words once again, go behind. Here onwards, we'll be beginning with the grammar part. The grammar part, first one is very easy topic. Article and defini. Indefinite articles means a, an in English, and definite article literally translate to the. This we have learnt in 11th standard. I have a separate video for it as well. Now, article contracte means what? To the, or at the, or of the, or from the. For to the and at the, we have o, ala, al apostrophe, and aux. For of the or from the, we have this part over here. This one. We have du, the la, del apostrophe, and they. This is exercise given based on this. This video, I'm keeping it short. Refer to this only for the text. For grammar video, I'll make a separate video of lesson number 0, grammar. Okay. See you in the grammar part. Keep studying. Make your parents proud of you.